Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile phone. Click the import button, go to the gallery, select the picture, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, adjust the picture, click the sticker, select the sticker, background remove, eraser color, enable button on, adjust the sticker. Click the noise button, enable button on, select the color, click the hue button, select the color. Design is ready. Please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.